Well, we got the tank out, the Caymas, I believe his boat is called. Deck out, center console. Show you. Look at that hole. That was where the gas is coming out of. But look at all this. The manufacturer installed this tank. They didn't really do that great of a job because the hose, or that bend in there that the water runs from the front of the boat to the back of the boat, the tank was rubbing on it. See all this? That's rubbed. Over there, 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 a little bit here. And also they didn't put any epoxy coating. I mean, look at all the whole pits there, there. So this tank, we're going to, it's not gonna have any kind of bend. We're gonna make it smaller, and we're gonna make it flat, put some strips underneath the rubber so it doesn't sit in water, and also we're gonna epoxy coat it, the new tank, so that way this doesn't happen again. Look at that. The tank was full. Luckily it happened here and we were able to catch it. So